Hey, this is Horner, and this is the staff video for going in and creating a course. So if you have a club or you have some other meeting, whether you are a teacher or an administrator or a counselor, you'll be able to go in and do this and be able to have kids then sign up for that period, for that core time period. So easiest thing to do is once you come in, if you're a teacher and you already have kids, you'll see this schedule. If you are not, this will probably be blank. You'll go into course up at the top. So we're just going to click on course here. And now what I'm going to do is it says Staffer's Course. And this is where I want to call the course the name that I need for it to have. And I'm having an aerospace club. So that aerospace club will meet, and I know what day I'm going to meet. We'll tackle that here in a second. But this takes us to max number of students. So you can put as many students into that as you want to. I know that I'm probably going to have a total of maybe 40 to 50 kids, I'm guessing, come to the Aerospace Club interest meeting. I already have 20 kids in the room for my core time. I've encouraged them to all sign up for something else, but if they don't, I need to take that into account. So I'm going to say if I have 50 kids come to my Aerospace Club meeting, I'm going to have a max number of students in the room of 70 kids. So that's what I want to do here. So you really need to add whatever your core is to this, unless you can guarantee that those kids won't be in your room. The default appointment type for this course, because it's a club, is going to be club. If you offer your same class, but you do it for, let's say you're teaching geometry and you're teaching algebra 2, and you want to have enrichment just for algebra 2 that day, you could call it algebra 2. Up top here, enrichment, and then down here you could select that as your appointment type. Kids can search by these different appointment types, and that's why it's important to choose them correctly. Course room, you can just leave it in your room. If you're going to the auditorium, the bistro, the cafeteria, senior cafeteria, you'll want to change that in that area. This will always be core time for the period, and then we want a description. So this is going to be the, this is the interest meeting for aerospace engineering. Hope to see you there. Now that I've done that, I've got to pick the date, and we'll talk about repeats in a different video, but we're just going to set this up for one day. The interest meeting is on the 16th, so I'm going to click that, and now it is all set. I've also created another academic club meeting for Monday the 19th. And so when I save this one, I should be able to see both. Now I will tell you, if I create a course and I already have a course that I've created that has the same date, the new one will go in and delete the old one. So you can only have one meeting per day in your area. So if you and somebody else are sharing the responsibilities of a club, you could have one person put it as overflow, and I guess you could have the other person put it as the club, and then kids just need to know to look for that club. So at this point, I want to save this course, and I'm going to save it just by clicking save. And now that I've done that, it shows up down here. I just want to make sure everything is correct. First and foremost, I want to make sure, nope, here it is, Aerospace Club, and this is 8/16, so that's the date that I wanted it. I do have that 70, and you'll notice there's already 20 appointments there. Those 20 appointments are from the students that I already have signed up in core. So in order for your kids to be able to see that you have 50 spots open, you've got to add this 20 to whatever you want. I want 50 open spots, so to do that, I just took 20 plus 50, and I did make it 70. So that is the quick and easy way to go in and create a course so that you can have a club or other special interest meeting.